Criminal history points are calculated under the U.S. sentencing guidelines. The purpose of calculating these points is to help determine an appropriate sentencing range for a defendant based on their past criminal conduct. The more criminal history points a defendant has, the higher their criminal history category, which in turn can lead to a longer sentence. Here is a general overview of how criminal history points are calculated, including the types of convictions and sentences that count, as well as those that are excluded. A sentence of imprisonment exceeding 13 months receives 3 points. A sentence of imprisonment between 60 days and 13 months receives 2 points. Generally, any other jail sentence or adjudication receives 1 point with a maximum of 4 points. There are some special rules that add criminal history points to your score as well. Add 1 point for each prior sentence resulting from a conviction of a crime of violence that did not receive any points up to a total of 3 points. Add 2 points if the defendant committed the instant offense while under any criminal justice sentence. There are some convictions and sentences that are excluded from criminal history calculations, such as, there is a 15-year time limitation for jail sentences exceeding 13 months and a 10-year time limitation for any other prior sentence. Certain petty offenses, juvenile offenses, and tribal convictions may not be counted. It's important to note that this is just a general overview and that the U.S. sentencing guidelines contain more detailed rules and exceptions. As a federal criminal defense attorney, I would carefully review your specific circumstances and past criminal history to ensure that your criminal history points are accurately calculated and to advocate for the most favorable outcome in your case.